Hi, I'm Michael,
Andre,
and welcome to
Divas
Divas
Realm,
Realm Card
Toys
and
and Travel.
Travel. So, unfortunately, upon fixing kanina, we noticed that one of our box has been
Has been beaten
water damage.
has been beaten up by Mike Tyson water form.
So, nasira siya and na-damage yung cards. Water damage yung cards, nagdikit-dikit, so nasira. So, kaya makita niyo ba yung water
My
damage.
dad is super sad and decided to open more.
So, damage siya. Mga box ng Pokemon Go. Ano to, hindi ko maalala kung anong set yung iba dito. Halo-halo eh. Managed to salvage some na maayos-ayos pa. May last order tayo. Medyo, hindi ko lang alam kung okay. Medyo okay pa naman. Ibang cards, medyo dry naman siya. So, medyo na ano lang. Medyo okay pa naman. But unfortunately, may mga nasira. So, so far, upon short, ano, damage siya. So, dahil malungkot, nakakainis. Dahil
May iba,
may mga nabasa, buto na lang
the,
naka-plastic.
the dad is sad, so he decided to open more pepper order.
Yeah, we're going to open this, yung nakuha ko ng release day. So, tatlo na nabuksan natin from Miniso kanina. March 26, March 28. Ngayon bubuksan natin 'tong nakuha namin nung release day. So,
you're opening like what you did
okay,
to
pack
Evolving.
battle tayo.
Are you imagining what happened to you in Evolving Skies when you opened Monopoly?
I don't know. It was a long time ago.
And now it's
So,
happening again with Fairy.
ano sa'yo, ano pa? Sige, itong dalawa. Pack battle muna tayo dahil nakakalungkot dahil na-damage. Basa, hindi lang po ito nasira. May mga nabasa pa. Nagpaayos kasi ako ng bubong.
And worst of all, some Pokemon got broken. Sorry to Jeremiah and other Pokemon lovers.
Nabasa yung ETB naming Black Bolt. So,
Black
ah,
Bolt. Okay, you
baka
open.
magbukas, baka
Bato
magbukas.
ulit.
Nakabuksan ko na lang kasi basahan.
Bato.
Tick.
Tick.
Ikaw na.
They keep winning.
So, nabasa yung isang ETB namin na Black Bolt. Although, meron pa rin, may plastic siya kaso nag-moist. So, sabihin matagal na tulo-tulo yung tubig. Nagpaayos ako ng bubong. Ewan ko, nangyari.
The one who fixed the rope makes it even worse, but and better.
Saka may mga na-damage na mga toys dahil nabasa yung box. So, mukhang kailangan ko siyang tanggalin.
Why is this box so tightly? Why is this so tight? Yes, I got it. Ready?
Sige na.
Ready? Ready? What happened? Okay, we got a centipede. Scorpion. Spiwa. Dinosaur. Clefairy, like what we got. One of the legendary Ninja Turtles again.
Judge.
Volcanion. Fletching. Ghastly.
Hey! Okay. Andre, I see you, Andre.
Yeah.
Siyempre, kailangan natin ng perfect fit.
Perfect fit means perfect order.
Full art.
And the perfect order is the first order in Star Wars.
Right.
For some reason, the Clefairy pack is super blessed today.
Oo nga, no? Puro Clefairy fucking may ano eh. Andre's first hit. Okay, my turn. Give me Patrick Star. The SIR. pampalubag loob dahil sa nabasa. So, maraming nasirang bulks. Ay, ako. Pwede pa naman gamitin. Wag hindi lang siya pang pambenta or pang ano. Anong catcher, Nosepass, Snivy, Seal, Naven, Hippowdon. Hey, another Pokepad. Gengar. Ooh, nice card.
You love Gengar.
Stick
Eh!
and Little EX.
I did better than you.
Now, that's still a hit. So,
I did better than you, but not then.
alright. So, 2 out of 2. O, ikaw na.
Niat will give me another hit. And I believe
So, guys, check your items or inventory or sealed products. Baka nabasa
Ready?
na siya.
I got the floor white cap.
Furfrou.
Fossil from a dinosaur.
Joe Fossil. Servine.
Grass noodle.
Mawile.
Mawile.
Shaman.
Grass dog. Leap dog.
Lumis Galette.
Making me hungry to eat food.
Raticate. Ano ba yung Raticate?
Brown raticate.
Okay.
Pinpinet.
Okay. And, wala. First stud ng pack na to. So, 2 out of 3. Last pack magic. Kasi wala na tayo. Kailangan natin maghanap para makapag-open tayo ulit. Check natin kung anong last pack magic. Sige na. SIR. Please. Pangpalubag loob para masayang matutulog na yung gabi. Anong energy? Guess the energy?
Grass.
Ako fire. Ay! Teka. Hindi ba ako? Oh. Grass sa'yo Fire ako. Skorupi. Shinx. Oh, ganda na Shinx.
Stinky.
Spinarak.
Spider. Fish.
Spritzy. Tornator. Shaman. Hey.
Making us hungry.
Qian Pao.
Qian
And,
Dark trick.
and Gengar. Oh, wala. Okay, 2 out of
Wait.
4.
Why is there only one reverse hollow?
2 out of 4. So, that's it. Again, I'm Michael.
Wait. Let the viewers show our hits again.
2 hits out of 4 packs. So, yun. Yun lang. Again, I'm Michael.
Andre.
And this is Divas
Realm.
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 Cards
Toys
and
and travel.
travel. Bye.
Hello.